and today we will implement our source discovery system, and this is needed in order to fill our rack with some data. Okay, I already know approximately what data will we add for testing, so let's get started. Yeah. So first of all, we will need to ask Cursor how to use one framework. Basically, what do I mean? Is that I wanna integrate Spider Crawler into our rack in order to crawl some sites. Okay. Yeah, I analyzed the market for these crawlers, and I think Spider is the most the cheapest one and the most performant for now. But let's test this. So first of all, let's read some documentation here. Yeah. So here is the usage. We need to import Spider, set the URL, scrape the data, and that's basically all, right? Okay. So pseudo methods. Okay, pretty simple. But I want to integrate it with LangChain, okay? So let's search LangChain. Yeah, LangChain integration here. Let's install this. I already set my API key. Yeah, this is Spider Loader. Okay. So let's go to our loaders. Let's go to our factory, and instead of web source loader, we'll load from let's say from LangChain community. Document, if I'm not mistaken, document ingest loaders, right? And from here, oh, I made a typo here, LangChain actually. So, and from here we need to import our Spider loader, okay? So we are importing Spider loader, and okay, now we need to set it up, okay? Pretty simple. So yeah, here we check the type of the file, right? And here we'll replace this loader with our new loader, okay? But I'll go to config, runners.config, and in here I need new function to get Spider loader, right? It will return just Spider loader. Wait, let me import that. Yeah, and from here we'll just return Spider loader, okay? So yeah, API key. Let's set the API key. Get. No, I need actually to add one more method, and it will be get Spider API key, right? I'll return str, and from here we'll do something like end.str Spider API key, okay? And from here we'll call that get Spider API key, right? Yeah, so this is API key. Then we need to set URL. Let's say, let's add another function, because actually Spider may be running on not only in the, like it is, if I'm not mistaken, it is open source, right? And it can be running in any cloud, so you can bring your own cloud. I suppose, let me check. Yeah, that's built in Rust, by the way. That's why it's so fast. Okay, very cool. So they just develop their own framework in the open source community, and also they're running a business, a cloud, and they're making money from it. Yeah, I know lots of companies that do the same way, and I think it's really profitable. So we're getting get Spider URL, right? And we'll return str, we'll return env.str, and here Spider URL. And if we don't have Spider URL in our .env, then we'll just return HTTPS, something like this, right? Yeah. So yeah, from here, let's go and get Spider URL. Oh no, not here actually. So here, get Spider URL. Yeah. Wait, something is going wrong. Oh, I need to specify the URL, right? Parameter. Yeah, now that should be fine. Yeah. And the next thing is that I need to set the mode. The default mode will be scrape. Let's actually also add another variable, def get Spider mode. It will return also str, and will return n.str Spider mode. If it's none, then we'll just return scrape, right? And in here we'll just do something like get Spider mode, right? So yeah, basically like this. Also you may specify some parameters. We'll specify them later, I think, but now they'll be like not none. Okay. So scrape is default mode. It scrapes single URL, and crawl is crawling the whole website and all sub pages. Okay, on this website. Yeah. So actually I think we should implement something like this. Wait a minute. Return back, because I did delete is domain thing. So return back is domain thing. Yeah, we really need this. Yeah, also we may specify parameters here, actually. Wait a minute. Oh no, my stream may crash because of load on the system. So so that's not good. Yeah, that may crash. Let me close the browser. Oh no, that's so lagging. I don't like VS Code based editors because of its performance. At least in my computer. On my computer, right? So, and here we specify parameters. It'll be dictionary, but it can be none as well, right? Oh no. Look at this. Guys, look at this. No way, no way. Oh, that's impossible. I don't think we'll continue with cursor. I don't really think so. Look at this. I cannot even open the file. Oh, it's deleted one, okay. So in factory we'll return, let's first import from cal.config.runners, import get spider loader, okay. No guys, that's impossible, that's impossible, I will not continue. So I'll implement this spider loader. Oh no. Get spider loader. No guys, no. It is impossible. Look at these. Like, what is this? Are you joking, cursor? So yeah, let's close the cursor. Shut up. It cannot even close the cursor right now. Okay, now it is fine. Let's open up our terminal. Let's clear it. And yeah. So let's go to OpenCode. But first I need to upgrade it. Upgrade, right? Yeah, upgrading. Yeah, now let's go. It is upgrading, okay. Yeah, it's a bit long, I don't know why. So I actually don't know. Can I specify mode, or scraping or crawling in the, like, dynamically, but we'll dig more in it. I hope that we can. So let's open up OpenCode. Also, let's open up two more terminals, and in the first one, it'll be Nelim, and in the third one, it'll be we'll run our bot, okay. So let's tell it analyze the project code base. Or wait, actually. So what do we need right now? Let's go to where is this loaders? No, runners. Yeah, it is in runners, and it is in factory right here. Yeah. Analyze how to. Let's tell it analyze the code base first. Okay. Alright. Let's actually run in OpenCode. OpenCode. Models refresh. Right. Yeah. Now let's open up. Yeah, I don't see the newest Minimax 3, but okay. So it's reading our files. Okay. Yeah, this is not very useful information. All right. What is this? I know what is this. So wait. Now we need to wire it up. I mean, first of all, we need to create something like in here, right? Yeah, we need to create another task, and this task will be something like discovery, source discovery, right? Yeah. Wait, actually. So it is tasks, right? Yeah, it is data ingestion, and this is tasks. Okay. Oh no. Tasks. Tasks. Yeah. And we need to go one module here, and we'll need to create another directory, and this will be source discovery thing. Yeah. And in here, first of all, we'll need to create something like discovery. I don't know. Actually, I don't know how to implement this source discovery because like there are some problems with that. Like we cannot really store in Python file 10,000 URLs, right? Which URLs we wanna scrape, right? So that's a problem. Because from one side you wanna specify what domains you wanna scrape, but from other sides it will be very long list if we need to scrape large data, right? Yeah. And other my thought is that we'll have also some, not only scraping, we'll also load some data from APIs, external APIs, okay? So that we could then use data from those APIs for our RAG, okay? So right now let's create a simple, how will we call that? Let's create a simple discovery, and in here it'll be just class discovery, source discovery, right? It'll be in like, wait, so it'll take nothing, I suppose, or I don't know. Yeah, like for now it'll just take our list of links, right? And we'll just initialize, yeah, this is a list of strings, so sources, or wait, actually so let's call it websites, actually. Yeah, it's more clear. Or we could really do something like taking sources, I don't know. So it'll be like list source, then self dot sources equals sources, right? Yes, something is wrong here. And what do we need now? So basically, yeah, like first of all, guys, let me show you. There is a problem actually in our not loader, in our tasks. Yeah, in our tasks. So in here, when we do run data ingestion, there is a problem because when we do crawling, we need to specify is it how to explain it? Is it basically in our implementation of RAG we have in document field is domain, and basically if it's domain, then we go through subpages and crawl that, and if it's not, then it's just a URL that you can scrape one time, one URL, and that's fine. So here we need to actually specify if it's domain or not, right? I mean, we need to implement logic for checking if it is a domain, and if it's domain, then crawl subpages. If not, then crawl a single URL, right? So let's go to where is build crawled chunks actually? Yeah, it's annotator, I guess. No way, no. So let's go to tasks again, and in here, yeah. So wait, I forgot where is the logic for crawling here. I guess it's in data ingestion chunker, but I don't think so. Oh, here it is. So it is loaded here. Yeah. Right. So let's tell implement refactor. Where is this tasks? Oh no, refactor tasks.py, so that tasks.py, and what is this? It's run data ingestion. Run data ingestion, so that it would yeah, it would take into account is domain theme, source theme, and if it is domain, then set in params for loader yeah, then for loader, for web loader, or yeah, web loader in like crawl. If not, then scrape. Yeah, let's do this. Wait, actually, wait, 1 minute. I need to ensure that I will not lose the context if it'll mess up. So let's create something like this, and let's continue. So go. Okay, all right. So now it's reading our files, and I hope it'll get it right and refactors it so that I would really be happy with that. So let's wait a bit. Now let's add the full picture. Yeah. So no, like I guess in where is this? In our init for. Oh my god, where is this? So in data ingestion, right? Yeah, it should be here, but I don't see it. Oh, here it is. So in here, first of all, we need to initialize loader. Where is this? Oh, it's just data ingestion loader. Got it. Yeah, from here we get loader for source, and it's factory, right? Yeah, loader for source. It is factory. Okay. And from here, it does something like that. Oh no. That's so bad. No. We actually get loader from spider, get spider loader from config. So it's bad. Implementation, okay. Yeah, it also changes. Wait. Why did it create spider Saber spider loader? I don't get it. Oh. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, it is a bit difficult to read this, honestly. So let me do something like this. So first of all, it has modified our config. Yeah, in Cursor it is much more readable for AI generated code, right? So it is in runners config, right? No. It is runners. And this is config, right? Yeah, here. And here, yeah, I got it. Okay. Then in here, in loaders init, we do something like importing spider. Okay. Then in factory, we do get spider loader, right? Oh, we import, yeah, it has created spider. I didn't ask for that, but okay. So it has created spider thing here, so it is source loader. Okay. Did we have source loader, guys? I didn't know that. For real. Where are these loaders thing? No, I mean in loaders. In it, I guess. No, it's in base. So yes, there is actually. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay. So in here, we do some like load lazy, right? Okay, pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Yeah, now it should work. Now we need to create tasks.py, right? So let's go to loader. No, it is, where is this? Source discovery, right? Yeah. Also, let's create base source discovery. Base source discovery, all that. Then let's go to discovery, copy this one. Oh no, wait. Yeah, copy this one and let's go to base. No, base for source discovery. Source. Yeah, it is not very convenient to modify something in knowing, I would say. I mean source discovery. I mean base source discovery. Are you kidding me? Oh no, that's so bad. It cannot even find it. Oh no. So I guess I didn't save that, right? Yeah, of course I didn't. Wait, where is our base? There is no base. I created base, but there is no base. Oh, here it is. Yeah, that's so bad, honestly. So, and in here, we need to paste it here. Oh, and let's go to discovery system. Let's import from call.runners. Wait, didn't I create package? Yeah, I have. So I just forgot to do something like this in init.py, right? Shut up. So we need to do something like shut up. Yeah, name is so bad for me. Of the cursor. Yeah, I'm like more like a VS Code user, I would say. So where is this discovery? Call.runners dot source discovery dot base import source base. Yeah, and now let's create source discovery system. Okay. Yeah. Now let's tell AI now. So implement method in source discovery. It'll be something like, let me actually do this here. So let's go. Oh no, shut up. Don't edit my embarrass name. And let's go to base, right? And in here we'll need to add one method. It'll be something like, oh wait. It'll be something like the syncdev. Synchronize or what? Yeah, sync sources, I suppose. But do we need it, guys? How do you think? Like, we already have utilities in our database for this. Well, let's look what will LLM do. Array is not implemented. error, right? Yeah. What is wrong with this? Unexpected. Shut up. It is indeed expected indeed. Oh, got it. So, source discovery. Also, make in base abstract method. Okay, let's see how will it get me. No, I would say with this GLM model, with OpenCode, I am much more slower than with Cursor, in my opinion. But the problem is that we cannot edit with Cursor because you saw I literally, when I have large chat, I cannot even edit on my stream because it's so lagging. Alright, it's so long compared to Composer. Yeah, I'm so used to Composer that I think so that it is so long for other models. Let's wait. So each is thinking, oh, each has started to implement something. So it is importing abstract method. Actually, I noticed one thing, and it's that when you have the code base in your style, like more like a large code base, right? And the code is clean, at least for you, and it is your code style, then other LLMs start to adapt to it, and that's very good thing. So it is just base source discovery. Okay. Also now it needs to... Oh no. What is this mess? Sync sources. Okay. What is this mess? Wow. That's such a mess, guys. So let's go to where is this? Discovery. Yeah. So let's read what it does. First of all, I don't know what does it mean. Get crowd text extensions. Why? Okay. Okay. It implemented, I don't know why it implemented these. Then normalize extends. Okay. Source discovery. So we have simple sync sources. It's not that difficult, right? Then we have discover web here. We basically load. Oh, wait, I didn't tell him to. That's such a bad code, honestly. It didn't even use factory. Yeah, I was just told that it's adapting to our code base, but I see that no, totally not. Guys, forget about my words. Oh, I was wrong. So discover files. I don't want to even read the code here. Oh, so use factory. instead of direct loaders. Also ensure that it is compatible, so it is compatible the theme how is it called, sparse scroll for other loaders. Okay, so let's wait. So yeah, wait, actually stop. I need to go to one theme, and it's basically spider loader, and here I need to check one thing. What is wrong here? Code is unreachable. Are you kidding me? It is indeed reachable if somebody will pass a wrong argument. Okay. So guys, here we just have lazy load thing. So alright, let's revert actually here. How to revert? Yeah, revert. Because it is indeed compatible. Your factory, you use factory instead of direct loaders. So let's wait. And yeah, we can turn on the music. Okay. Let's turn this on. So let's go and read the code. Loaders. Spider. Discovery, yeah, here it is. So normalize. Yeah, it is very bad code, but that doesn't really matter. At least because we'll rewrite most of that code, right? Because I'm not really satisfied with this source discovery algorithm. I want a more intelligent one. Maybe we'll use some AI for source discovery. I don't know yet. So we're just syncing sources. Discover on the web, right? Oh, I'm a bit lost right now. So yeah, here. How to close this? Okay, I don't know. So yeah. Yeah, we actually use factory now. That's good. So we have discover files and discover web, right? Okay, good. Okay. And now in here in sync sources, we're just calling those methods, I guess. Yeah, we're just calling those methods. Okay. Let me actually go to here. Where is this? Oh, no way. What is happening? So where is this? It's just discovery, right? So in here, when we do sync sources. Right? So we're just doing something like ensuring that it's domain. If it's domain, then we discover it, and if it's directory, Then we discover files. But if it is not, what happens then? It is very bad logic, honestly. Yeah, Chinese AIs are so far behind. Even though Composer 2.5 was trained indeed on Chinese AI, but it is very good compared to these Chinese models, unexpectedly. So if not source not is active, then we continue. Else, if it's web source and it is the main, then we discover. Wait, you don't handle logic if it is not is there or not is domain, right? I don't think it's so difficult, honestly. So discover files. Right. What should happen for if this return source as is? No, just add it to the database. Wait, I'm very confused right now. Why does it need? Why does it need loader? For adding this to the database? It is not that I expected. Remove these methods and just leave sync sources. Yeah, it doesn't get my code. Sync sources. The only purpose of sync sources is adding sources to database. Inserting, right? Yeah, this model is so stupid. I don't know how you guys code with it. It is very stupid, in my opinion. Like, yeah, I was coding with this model earlier. I was coding more like vibe coding, and it was really good until things started to crash and codebase started to grow. Yeah, until that time. So I just has sync sources, right? Yeah, that's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Okay, so guys. So sync sources now lost by load. Shut up. What does it do right now? Oh no. It is... Again, it has failed. I didn't tell... No. No. You don't need to load anything. Just think. just insert sources to database. Sources are just wrappers around URLs or file paths, right? It is so stupid, guys. Look at this. No, I will definitely code it cursor. Previously I said that I will not, but now I am returning. Because it is impossible for coding. Okay. No, it is fine. Unbelievable. Wait. Guys, look at this. Look at this mess. Oh, that's fine. I was frightened because I didn't see this initialization of function. I thought that was wrong. Okay, that's fine. So now we just need to create some like main here, right? So let's create it, and finally we will test our rock. Okay. So let's create. How will we call that? Main. Okay. And now let's import from call dot. Let's just import. I don't know. I just want to import something like this from discovery. Import source discovery. Right. Now let's define some sources. It's just basically testing. It's not production ready. Okay. For production ready, I don't know. I'll need to think about this. I'll need to think about that. Sources. And actually we need to import from cavalcade, okay, cal.db dot models import source, right? Or we can just actually we can just do something like this from utils dot source import getter create. Oh, source utilities, I forgot. So then here we can just do like the source utils dot getter create. Wait, what? There is no such thing? For real? Okay. Let's test this with doc utils, maybe in doc utils, I don't know. No, it shouldn't be there. Is there getter create method for source in call db.utils.source? I am really surprised there is no. I didn't know that. No, please don't remove my imports. I don't like my NOM setup because of that, right? Yes, it has create. Oh, got it. So apparently we were just mistaken. So source util. No. First of all, source import. So we import source utilities. And here we do like source utilities dot get. There is no such thing. Look at this. I don't see it. Maybe our autocomplete is bad. I don't know. Let's check that. Oh, we need to do something like web source utilities. Got it. I forgot about that. So discovery or main actually. No, not that main. So yeah, we need to import from here, not source discovery, but web source utils. I mean, not source discovery, source utils, but web source utils, right? And so, yeah, that's very boring because, like, it isn't fast, okay? And so we do web source utilities dot get your grade, actually. Yeah, finally. Yeah, we need session. Let's import session from our call.db, no, .runners.